It's a snap to use. Attract with Magnetix Combination Hand Shower and Rain Shower. Installing Attract with Magnetix involves just a few tools and some simple steps. Always begin by reading the installation instructions thoroughly and make sure you have the right tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench and safety glasses to complete the installation. Begin by unthreading the old shower head from the shower arm, using a wrench if necessary. Do not remove the shower arm. Then, remove all existing putty and tape from the arm. Next, take the new Moen rain shower head and loosen the nut to allow the shower ball to rotate. Thread the shower ball to the shower arm to attach the rain shower. To protect your new shower head from scratches, wrap your wrench with electrical tape or cover the shower ball with a soft cloth before you tighten it. Now use your wrench to tighten the shower ball, being careful not to over-tighten. Hand tighten the nut on the rain shower until you can no longer turn it to secure the rain shower to the shower arm. Next, attach one of the washers and the hose to the rain shower. Attach the second washer and the other end of the hose to the hand shower. Now you're ready to dock the hand shower to the rain shower. The Magnetix system securely holds it in place. The diverter knob controls 3 shower modes: rain shower, combination rain shower and hand shower only. And that's all it takes to enjoy a customized shower experience with the ease of magnetic docking in no time. Attract combination hand shower and rain shower with Magnetix from Moen. Buy it for looks. Buy it for life.